Hi guys, I'm back. Good day. This is Fe Soralta Sibugero, a teacher of Balay City Central School, Balay City, or just call me Fe Sensei. Today I'm going to discuss about rounding decimals. Are you ready guys? Hold on and watch for the PowerPoint presentation. Rounding decimals. Rounding off number using a number line. This is an example of a number line. From 48 hundredths to 49 hundredths. And the numbers in between are 481 thousandths, 482 thousandths, 483 thousandths, 484 thousandths, 485 thousandths, 486 thousandths, 487 thousandths, 488 thousandths, 489 thousandths, and 49 hundredths. We're going to study this number line and we're going to round off these numbers in between 48 hundredths and 49 hundredths. We're going to round off that number to the nearest hundredths. Which number can be rounded to 48 hundredths and which number can be rounded to 49 hundredths? Now, before that, let's discuss first about how to round decimals. First, identify the digit to be rounded off. Second, inspect the digit to the right of the required place or the number on its right. Then, if the digit is greater than 5 or 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, add 1 to the digit at the required place or add 1 to the digit to be rounded. So we will say that this is rounding up. But B, if the digit is less than 5, therefore 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0, we have to retain the digit at the required place, then drop all the digits to the right of the required place. Or we call this as rounding down. Now, going back to our number line. Based on our rules, first identify the number to be rounded off. Okay, let's round off this number to the nearest hundredths. Therefore, the second digit after the decimal point. So, let's take a look of this number. 483 thousandths. If we're going to round off this number, first identify the number to be rounded. So it's 8. Then the number to the right is 3. It's letter B, less than 5 because 3 is less than 5. Therefore, round down. So the number is 48 hundredths. Another example, 488 thousandths. So the number to be rounded is the hundredths place, it's 8. And the number to the right is 8. Therefore, it's letter A, greater than 5. So it's round up. Add 1 to the digit at the required place. So 8 plus 1 equals 9. So the answer is 49 hundredths. Okay, in this number line, the numbers from 485 thousandths up to 489 thousandths can be rounded to 49 hundredths. And the numbers from 481 thousandths up to 484 thousandths, because the number in the thousandths place is less than 5, therefore it's round down, so it's 48 hundredths. Okay, let's have these examples. Round to the nearest tenths. Identify the number in the tenths place. In number 1, the number is 3 and 251 thousandths. The number in the tenths place is 2. The number to the right is 5. So it's round up. Therefore, 5 is 5. So we will add 1 to 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3, and drop these numbers, these 2 digits. So the number is 3 and 3 tenths. Number 2, 85 and 824 thousandths. The number in the tenths place is 8, and the number to the right is 2, less than 5. Therefore, it is retained. 8 is retained and drop 2 and 4. So the answer is 85 and 8 tenths. Remember, we're going to round the number to the nearest tenths. So our answer should be on the tenths up to the tenths place digit only. So the answer is 3 and 3 tenths, 85 and 8 tenths. Another example, we have to round to the nearest hundredths. The second digit after the decimal point is the number in the hundredths place. So in our first example, we have 973 and 251 thousandths. The number in the hundredths place is 5. And the number to the right is 1. Therefore, 1 is less than 5. So we have to drop 1 and retain 5. So our answer is 973 and 25 hundredths. Number 2, 185 and 827 thousandths. The number in the hundredths place is 2, and the number to the right is 7. Therefore, it's round up. So add 1 to 2, and 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the number is 185 and 83 hundredths. Because the number is in the hundredths place, so we have 2 digits after the decimal point. Okay. Round to the nearest thousandths. The third digit after the decimal point. And again, in rounding numbers, we have to look at the number to be rounded and the number to the right. But the number to the left, we have to copy it. Do not change any number on the numbers to the left. So, we have here 123 and 2,519 10 thousandths. The number in the thousandths place is 1. The number to the right is 9. It's round up. Therefore, we have to add 1 to the number in the thousandths place, which is 1 plus 1 equals 2. So, the answer is 123 and 252 thousandths. Number 2, the number, second example it's 865 and 8,243 10 thousandths. The number in the thousandths place is 4, and the number to the right is 3. It's less than 5. Therefore, retain 4 and drop 3. So the number is 865 and 824 thousandths. Got it? Okay, let's answer some exercises. Round to the nearest tenths. So number 1 is 48 and 19 thousandths. Number 2, 16 and 975 thousandths. Number 3, 15 and 614 thousandths. Number 4, 12 and 89 thousandths. Number 5, 4 and 613 thousandths. Number 6, 925 thousandths. Number 7, 4 and 18 thousandths. 8, 12 and 3,057 10 thousandths. Number 9, 8 and 1,749 10 thousandths. And number 10, 1 and 1 thousandths. Okay, let's take a look at number 6. This is 925 thousandths. Do not say 0 and 925,000. It's wrong. We have to say the decimals right away. 925 thousandths. Okay. Answer on your notebook. Round to the nearest tenths. Okay. Let's check your answers. Let's examine the answers. Why this is 48, a whole number? Because in the number on the tens place is 0. The number to the right is 1, less than 5. Therefore, drop the number. Retain 0. But we can write it 48 without 0 because they are the same or equal. Number 2. The number in the tens place is 8. The number to the right is 7. It's round up because 7 is more than 5. Therefore, add 1 to 8 and it becomes 9. Number 3. The number in the tens place is 6 and the number to the right is 1. Therefore, it's less than 5. Therefore, drop the number and retain the number to be rounded, which is 6. So the answer is 15 and 6 tenths. Number 4. The number on the tens place is 0. The number to the right is 8. Therefore, it's round up. Add 1 to the number to be rounded, which is 0. Therefore, 0 plus 1 equals 1. And the answer is 12 and 1 tenth. Number 5. The number on the tens place is 6. The number to the right is 1. Less than 5. Therefore, round down. So, drop 13 and retain 6. Our number is 4 and 6 tenths. Number 6. The number on the tens place is 9. And the number to the right is 2. Less than 5. Therefore, round down. So, drop 2 and 5 and retain 9. So the answer is 9 tenths. Number 7. The number in the tens place is 5. The number to the right is 1. It's less than 5. Therefore, round down, drop 18 and retain 5. So the number is 4 and 5 tenths. Number 8. The number in the tens place is 3. And the number to the right is 0, less than 5. Therefore, drop 0 and 5 and retain 3. And the answer is 12 and 3/10. Number 9, 8 and 749 thousandths. The number in the tens place is 7. The number to the right is 4. It's less than 5. Round down, drop 4 and 9 and retain 7. So the answer is 8 and 7/10. And the last number, the number on the tens place is 0. The number to the right is 0, less than 5. Therefore, drop this number and our answer is a whole number 1, or it's 1 and 0. So just write the whole number 1. So examine the answers. Since we rounded the number to the nearest tenths, so our answer is in the decimal is in the tens place. 16 and 9/10, 15 and 6/10, 12 and 1/10, 4 and 6/10, 9/10, 4 and 5/10, 12 and 3/10, 8 and 7/10, and 1. Okay, next, round to the nearest hundredths. Again, write your answers on your notebook. Number 1, 48 and 19 thousandths. Number 2, 16 and 975 thousandths. Number 3, 15 and 614 thousandths. Number 4, 12 and 89 thousandths. Number 5, 4 and 613 thousandths. Number 6, 925 thousandths. Number 7, 4 and 18 thousandths. Number 8, 12 and 3,057 10 thousandths. Number 9, 8 and 1,749 10 thousandths. And number 10, 1 and 1 thousandths. Remember, you are going to round off these numbers to the nearest hundredths place. Remember, your answers should have only 2 digits after the decimal point. Got it? Okay. Are you done? Let's check your answers. And let's examine the answers. Hundredths place. So 1, the number on its right, to the right is 9. Therefore, it's round up. So, add 1 to 1, it becomes 2. Number 2, the number in the hundredths place is 7. And the number to the right is 5. It's round up. So, 7 plus 1 equals 8. Number 3, the number to be rounded, or the number in the hundredths place is 1. And the number to the right is 4. It's round down. Therefore, drop the number and retain the number to be rounded, which is 1. And the answer is 15 and 61 hundredths. Number 4, the number to be rounded is 8, or the number in the hundredths place is 8. The number to the right is 9. It's round up. So 8 plus 1 equals 9. Number 5, the number in the hundredths place is 1. The number to the right is 3, less than 5. Therefore, retain 1 and drop 3. So the answer is 4 and 61 hundredths. Number 6, the number in the hundredths place is 2. And the number to the right is 5. It's round up. So add 1 to 2 and 2 becomes 3. And the answer is 93 hundredths. Number 7, the number in the hundredths place is 1. Or the number to be rounded is 1. And the number to the right is 8. Therefore, it's round up. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Number 8, the number in the hundredths place is 0. The number to the right is 5. Round up. Therefore, 0 plus 1 equals 1. Number 9, the number in the hundredths place or the number to be rounded is 7. The number to the right is 4. Therefore, round down. Retain 7 and drop 49. So the answer is 8 and 17 hundredths. And number 10, the number in the hundredths place is 0. The number to the right is 1, less than 5. Round down and drop the number, and our answer is a whole number 1. Okay, the number should be in the hundredths place. Therefore, you have 2 digits after the decimal point. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2, except for a whole number. So we do not write decimal point and 2 zeros. Okay, did you understand? How many correct answers do you have? And now, round to the nearest thousandths. Remember, it's in the thousandths place, so we have 3 digits after the decimal point. So, it's number 1, 8 and 79 10,000ths. Number 2, 1 and 4,067 10,000ths. Number 3, 2 and 5,974 10,000ths. Number 4, 1,549 10,000ths. Number 5, 2 and 5,973 10,000ths. Number 6, 8 and 3,056 10,000ths. Number 7, 1 and 6,149 10,000ths. Number 8, 12 and 192 10,000ths. Number 9, 3 and 8,315 10,000ths. And number 10, 2 and 5,615 10,000ths. Okay. So, remember, you're going to round off the number to the nearest 10,000ths. Therefore, there are 3 digits after the decimal point. Go, go, go! Okay. Are you done? Let's check your answers. Thousandths place, nearest thousandths. So the number in the thousandths place for number 1 is 7. The number to the right is 9. It's round up. Therefore, 7 plus 1 equals 8. Number 2, the number in the thousandths place is 6. The number to the right is 7. More than 5 or greater than 5. Therefore, it's round up. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Number 3, the number in the thousandths place or the number to be rounded is 7. The number to the right is 4. It's less than 5. Therefore, round down. So, drop 4 and retain 7. Number 4, the number in the thousandths place is 4. The number to the right is 9. More than 5, it's round up. So, 4 plus 1 equals 5 and drop 9. Number 5, the number to be rounded is 7. And the number to the right is 3. It's less than 5, therefore it's round down. So retain 7 and drop 3. Number 6, the number to be rounded is 5. The number to the right is 6. So it's more than 5. So it's round up. Add 1 to 5 and 5 becomes 6. Number 7, the number in the thousandths place is 4. The number to the right is 9. It's round up. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. And number 8, the number to be rounded is 9. And the number to the right is 2. It's less than 5. Therefore, it's round down. So drop 2 and retain 9. And number 9, the number in the thousandths place is 1. And the number to the right is 5. Therefore, it's round up. So 1 becomes 2. And number 10, the number is to be rounded, or the number in the thousandths place is 1. And the number to the right is 5. Therefore, it's round up. 1 plus 1 equals 2 and drop 5. So that's it. How many correct answers do you have? Okay, so since we rounded the number to the nearest thousandths, so our answer should have 3 digits after the decimal point. 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, the answer should be in the thousandths place. Okay, now let's complete the table. We're going to round to the nearest hundredths and round to the nearest thousandths. For number 1, the number is 2 and 3,842 ten thousandths. Number 2, 56,893 hundred thousandths. Number 3, 2 and 96,425 ten hundred thousandths. Again, 2 and 96,425 hundred thousandths. Number 4, 5 and 2,358 ten thousandths. Number 5, 86,300 200 thousandths. So your answers to the nearest hundredths should have 2 decimal places, 2 digits after the decimal point. And for the nearest thousandths, you have 3 digits after the decimal point. Go, go! Okay, let's check your answers. Are your answers correct? Okay, let's try to check our answer. So, hundredths place, so it's 8. The number to the right is 4, therefore round down. So, it's 38 hundredths. Thousandths, the number in the thousandths place is 4. The number to the right is 2. Again, it's round down. So the answer is 2 and 384 thousandths. Number 2, the number in the hundredths place is 6. The number to the right is 8. Therefore, 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer is 57 hundredths. Then, the next number, you're going to round this number to the nearest thousandths. The number in the thousandths place is 8. The number to the right is 9. It's round up. Therefore, 8 plus 1 equals 9. So the answer is 569 thousandths. Number 3, the number in the hundreds place is 6. The number to the right is 4. Therefore, retain 6 and drop 4, 2, and 5. So the answer is 2 and 96 hundredths. Then the number in the thousands place is 4. The number to the right is 2. Therefore, it's round down. Retain 4 and drop 2. So the answer is 2 and 964 thousandths. Number 5. The number in the hundredths place is 3. The number to the right is 5. Therefore, it's round up. Add 1 to 3 and 3 becomes 4. So the answer is 5 and 24 hundredths. Then thousands place. The number in the thousands place is 5. The number to the right is 8. Therefore, it's round up. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So the answer is 5 and 236 thousandths. Last number. The number in the hundreds place is 6. The number to the right is 3. So it's less than 5. Therefore, drop or round down. So drop 302 and retain 6. So the number is 86 hundredths. Then, to the nearest thousands, the number in the thousands place is 3. The number to the right is 0. It's round down. Therefore, retain 3 and drop 0 and 2. So the answer is 863 thousandths. Got it? Okay. So, let's try to look at this. Hundredths, so we have 2 decimal places after the decimal point. Thousandths, so we have 3 decimal places after the decimal point. Got it? Okay. Then identify the letter of the number that rounds off to the given number. So this is the given number. We're going to identify the letter of the number that rounds to this number. So examine the numbers for letter A, B, C, and D. Which of these numbers rounds to 3 and 65 hundredths? For number 2, 15 and 27 hundredths. For number 3, 10 and 85 hundredths. For number 4, 32 and 548 thousandths. For number 5, 211 and 78 hundredths. Just write the letter of the correct answer. Okay. Done? Let's check your answers. Okay. The answer for number 1 is letter D. Why? 3 and 647 thousandths. So, the number to be rounded is in the hundredths place. So, it's 5. Since the number is, this is 4 and the number to the right is 7. So we have to add 1 to 4 and it becomes 5. So the answer for number 1 is letter D. Number 2. 15 and 27 hundredths. 15 and 22. So it's not the answer. 15 and 27, but the number in the thousands place is 8. So if we are going to round this to the hundredths place, it becomes 8. So that's not the answer. Letter C, 27 and it's 8. So this will become 8. So that's not the answer. And the answer is letter D, 15 and 273 thousandths. Why? If we're going to round off to the nearest hundredths, the number in the hundredths place is 7. The number to the right is 3. less than 5, therefore round down, therefore the answer is letter B. For number 3, 10 and 85 hundredths. So for number letter A, 8, 5, 9. So this is 5, this is 9. So if we're going to add 1, this becomes 6. So that's not the answer. Here, this is 5 and the number in the thousands place is 7. If we're going to add 1, so this becomes 6. So that's not the answer. For letter C, this is 5 and the number to the right is 1. If we're going to round off to the nearest hundredths, so 1 is less than 5, therefore round down, therefore drop 1 and retain 5. So our answer for number 3 is letter C. Number 4, 32 and 548 thousandths. 32 and 5,476. So thousandths place is 8. So tenths, hundredths, thousandths. This is 7 and the number to the right is 6, more than 5. Therefore, we have to add 1 to 7 and it becomes 8. So the answer is letter A. And number 5, 211 and 78 hundredths. So 211 and 789,000. So this is 8. And the number to the right is 9. So if we're going to add 1, this becomes 79. This one is, the number is 6. So this will become 9. That's not the answer. This one, it's also 6. So this 8 here will become 9. For letter B, the answer, the number to be rounded is in the hundredths place. This is 8. And the number to the right is 4. Therefore, less than 5. Therefore, we have to drop the number and retain the number to be rounded, which is 8. So the answer for number 5 is letter B. Okay. Thank you. And that's how to round off decimals. It's very easy. First, identify the number to be rounded. Second, inspect or look at the number to the right of the number to be rounded. If it is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, round up. Add 1 to the number to be rounded. But if the number to the right is 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0, round down. Drop the number and retain the number to be rounded. That's it. Now guys, if you did not fully understand our topic for today, you can review the video and try to answer those exercises before proceeding to the exercise with answers. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Math Magic with Sensei. Okay? And for your English, like, share, and subscribe English with Jerry Jabba. Just look at his channel and you will have English topic on it. Right? Okay? So that's all for today. And keep watching on my YouTube channel, Sensei, Math Magic with Sensei. Bye-bye.